Hello and welcome to my presentation for Project4 data visualization tools. My name is Gajanan, and the goal of this project was to transform exploratory data analysis into interactive Power BI dashboard. So this project leverages the dataset I previously analyzed during my ADA project. I performed the initial cleaning and analysis using Python in Google Colab. So once the raw data was processed, I exported it using files.download command to generate the dashboard underscore data.csv file that I'm using in this report. So my goal was to take that static data and build a dashboard that tells story about the movie industry. So I have organized the report into five distinct pages, which we will explore today. So first, let us see data preparation and modeling part. So for that, we have to open Power Query Editor. So before visualization, I performed data cleaning in Power Query because when I imported the CSV file, the data was long and had multiple duplicate values. So to clean this, I have created a new titles data table, referencing from the original dashboard data table by removing the duplicate values to get an accurate count of movies and TV shows. So the most critical step was cleaning the genres and production countries column here. So originally both these columns had multiple genres packed into a single list. So here you can see in dashboard data table, here is genre column and here is production countries column. So both these columns had multiple values which are part of single list. So here in the genres table, there is comedy, then family, then animation, then action, then fantasy, then horror. So multiple genres are packed into a single list. So here in production countries also you can see there are multiple countries which are a part of single list. So this was making our individual analysis impossible. So to resolve this, I have separated this using split column by delimiter method. So which you can see here in applied steps. So this unpivoted the data, creating a separate row for each individual genre. So this step is essential because it allowed us to filter the entire dashboard by single specific genres later on. So I also use the replace values to strip out the punctuations, leaving the data clean and usable. So our first page is a high level overview. So here you can see different KPIs. So first KPI is total titles. So this is the distinct number of titles that are available in our dataset. So which is 8.66K, which includes total movies and total TV shows. So out of which 7.77K are total movies and only 895 are total TV shows. Then we have next visualization, which is bar chart. So this shows top genres. So topmost genre is drama, and then comedy, which is followed by thriller, action, romance, crime, and horror. So we can clearly see majority of content is based on drama, then comedy, thriller, action, romance, crime, and horror. Then we have next visualization, which is line chart. So here you can see the content produced by each year. So we have taken it from 1900s. So the majority of content is produced in lateral years. So you can see the significant production growth in the recent years. So then we have a donut chart which shows content by certification. So majority of content is not rated, then followed by R, then PG-13, then PG, and then finally G. So then we have a bubble map which shows the content produced by each country. So all these big bubbles are from these three countries, including United States of America, then India, and then UK. So these three countries are majority content producers. So the biggest content producer is the United States with about 5K total production, including movies and TV shows till date, which is then followed by India, uh, which produces about which has produced about 974 total content pieces, which is then followed by UK with total 829 content pieces, including 633 movies and 196 TV shows. So moving to our next page, which is performance analysis. So next section is performance analysis. So here we have a slicer, which is movies and TV shows. So here we have two bar charts and one scatter plot. So on the bar chart, on the first bar chart, we have IMDb scores of top 10 genres. So first genre is documentation, which has a average IMDb score of 7. Then there is history with a 6.7 average IMDb score, followed by reality with 6.7 IMDb score, followed by war with 6.4 average IMDb score, and then animation, sports, European music, drama, and family. Then we have bar chart for average IMDb score by age rating. So first is TVMA, which has a average IMDb score of 7.5, followed by TVPG with 7.4 average IMDb score, followed by TV14 with 7.2 average IMDb score, then TVY7, TVG, TVY, PG13G, PG, and R. Then we have scatter plot, which is quality versus popularity. So here you can see the most rated content is also most popular, because as the ratings fall on higher side, more people have rated that content. On the other hand, the, the content which has a low rating is also rated by fewer people. So the next section is talent analysis, and in this section we have two bar graphs. So first is top 10 most frequent actors, and then top 10 most frequent directors. So in top 10 most frequent actors, first we have um, George Gabby Hayes, who is appeared in 49 different titles. Then we have Roy Rogers, who is appeared in 45 different titles. Then we have Bess Flowers, who is appeared in 44 different titles. Then Gene Autry, who is appeared in 40 titles. Then Nassar, who is appeared in 37 titles. Then Herman Ek, who is appeared in 35 titles. Then Charles King, who is appeared in 34 titles. Then there is Earl Dwyer, then Forrest Taylor, and then George Morel. So here you can see the old classical actors are leading the charts, like George Gabby Hayes, with the most number of titles they have been part of, which shows that the Amazon's library is dominated by old cult classical films. Then we have top 10 most frequent directors. So here we first have Joseph Kane with 41 different titles, then Sam Newfield with 38 different titles, then Jay Chapman with 34 different titles, then Leslie Selander with 22 different titles, then Harry L. Fraser with 21 different titles, then John English with 21 different titles, then William Neig, then Manny Rodriguez, then Robert N. Bradbury, then Brian Walkways, and then George Archambault, and then William Bearding. So next section is market trends. So here we have a ribbon chart, which is showing shifting market trends and top five genres over the time. So here we have five genres. First is drama, then comedy, then action, then romance and thriller. So first is drama. So drama is the dominant genre here, showing massive growth post 2010. and peaking in 2019. So it is a core of our content library. So then there is a comedy. So it has been second biggest genre, which has shown large growth till 2020. So then we have thriller, which has seen fastest relative growth since 2020, surging to challenge comedy for the second spot. Then we have action and romance, which has been fighting for a top spot between the two. So after 2016, action has clearly won over the romance for top spot, and at the last, there is this sharp drop in the end across all genre, which indicates incomplete data and not a market crash. So moving to our main dashboard. So this is our main dashboard. So this is a compilation of all our findings that we have discussed earlier. So here I have used cinematic dark theme at the back, and along with that I have used vibrant purple color. So here I have added a few more slices like release year and genres. And just to give it a symmetric look, I have added a line chart and a ribbon chart at the top, and then all the KPIs and slicers at the middle of the dashboard. And at the middle row and last row, I have added other visualizations. So it is looking very well balanced and well structured dashboard and conveying all our findings and message clearly. So moving to the conclusions. To conclude, this project successfully transformed raw data set into professional interactive dashboard. So we have uncovered three major insights about the movie industry. First is the clear dominance of movies, which make up the vast majority of content compared to TV shows. Second, massive production boom that started around 2015, driven by a global demand for digital content. Third, we identified top talents like specific directors, actors who are driving industry's output. So by using Power BI's interactive features, this dashboard allowed stakeholders not just to see static numbers, but to filter, drill down, and understand why behind the market trends. So thank you for your time. This concludes my presentation for the database challenge.